Today's Coach M Gem is powered by Sam, the AI that matches you with a coach who truly gets you your goals, your values, your personality all aligned. Discover your perfect match at trysam.ai. The Coach M Gem today, are we speaking the same language? At a recent workshop in California, I shared this classic couple of Aussie sentences. Are you ready? See if you know what I'm talking about. So next arvo, we're going to head down to the park for a barbie. I'll bring the chooks and the snags if you bring an eski of stubbies. Hopefully this time you won't get crook. Be sure to bring your cossie and your togs, since it should be a nice day and it's totally fine to be in your thongs. ... I'll stop it there. About 20% of the room knew what I was talking about, and the other 80% had no idea what I was talking about. Yet in Australia, we speak English, right? The lesson? Communication is not about what you say. Communication really is about what the other person understands. I think as leaders, coaches, even parents and teammates, we often assume our message is clear because it makes sense to us. So next time, before moving on, questions like, what did you hear? What does that mean to you? Can you tell me back in your own words what you heard? Because at the end of the day, effective communication isn't what you say, it's what they hear. Okay, so I know you're wondering what that couple of sentences did mean. So if you are, let me just share a couple of those great Aussie words: arvo, afternoon; barbie, barbecue. Right, we've got the chooks and the snags, so that's the chicken and the sausages, and an eski is a cooler of stubbies beer. Don't get crook, don't get sick. Be sure to bring your cossie and your togs, or your bathing costume, and it's totally okay to be in your thongs, otherwise known as your flip-flops. And the other part of the story was the Vistage Chair, who was part of that workshop, thought that she was sending me a private feedback message. She accidentally sent it to all the Californian chairs, which was pretty hilarious. And this is what she wrote. I reckon you're an absolute legend. Your energy had the whole room stoked. Fair dinkum. Your custom approach was spot on for the crew's skill set. And crikey, you nailed it. Coaching's a ripper topic that's not talked about enough. I'll be spreading the word like a kangaroo on the hop. No worries. I've got 0 suggestions. You're already smashing it. Needless to say, I found this pretty hilarious, and so did she when she'd realised she'd sent it out to all the other chairs. I'll let you explore that one to see what you can make of it. And at the end of the day, remember, again, effective communication is so often not what you specifically say, it's what they hear. So with that in mind, get after it and live inspired, practice improving, and lead with impact.